Behind these gates lies one of the most misunderstood industries in the world: modern python farming. This isn't the wild. It's a carefully controlled, regulated environment designed for sustainability. Why python farming exists. Cut to scenes of global leather fashion, luxury handbags, shoes, and food markets. Overlay maps highlighting Asia, Europe, and Africa. Camera. Smooth transitions with slow zoom-ins. Python farming exists to satisfy the global appetite for exotic leather and protein, all while curbing illegal poaching and safeguarding wild populations. Breeding and incubation. Visual prompt. Spotless reptile breeding rooms featuring large Burmese and African rock pythons in climate-controlled enclosures. Close-ups of eggs nestled in incubators. Camera. Macro shots of eggs, slow pans across incubators bathed in soft lighting. Details to show. Temperature-controlled egg chambers. Humidity monitoring screens, veterinary staff carefully checking the eggs. The journey starts with carefully chosen breeding pythons. Eggs are collected and incubated under precise temperature and humidity conditions to ensure the hatchlings are healthy. Python growing and feeding. Visual prompt. Young pythons in clean, spacious enclosures. Workers feeding them frozen, thawed rodents. Automated cleaning systems in action. Camera. Tracking shots along rows of enclosures. Close-ups capturing their feeding behavior. Growth monitoring. Weight measurements. Clean water systems. Every python is closely monitored from the moment they hatch. Feeding schedules, growth rates, and health records are meticulously kept to comply with international farming standards, health and regulation. Veterinarians examining pythons, digital tablets displaying health data, and government inspection stamps and certificates. Camera. Professional documentary style with steady handheld shots. Modern python farms adhere to stringent animal welfare laws. Regular veterinary examinations and government inspections guarantee ethical and legal practices. Modern python farming isn't just random hunting. It's a well-organized agricultural system, much like poultry or fish farming, but tailored specifically for reptiles. The primary objectives are clear: to legally satisfy global demand, to curb illegal wildlife poaching, to safeguard wild python populations, to guarantee traceability and regulation. Most large python farms operate under the oversight of government wildlife agencies, CITES regulations, which govern international wildlife trade, veterinary and animal welfare standards, species used in python farms. Not every python species is farmed. The common ones include Burmese python, reticulated python, African rock python, depending on the region. These species are favored because they grow to a substantial size. They breed well in captivity. Their skin patterns hold commercial value. Their meat is culturally consumed in certain areas. Breeding process, how it starts. When it comes to breeding, adult pythons are born in captivity, not taken from the wild, carefully chosen based on their size and health. Housed in spacious, climate-controlled environments, breeding conditions are set to include controlled temperatures to encourage mating, seasonal lighting cycles, minimal stress during handling. Once mating happens, female pythons can lay between 20 to 80 eggs. Depending on the species, these eggs are collected for artificial incubation. Egg incubation, critical stage. Eggs are never left to chance. Here's how incubation works. Temperature is closely monitored. Humidity is carefully regulated. Air circulation is constantly checked. This stage is crucial because even slight temperature fluctuations can impact survival. The incubation process plays a key role in the health of the hatchlings. Poor incubation can lead to deformities or even death after 55 to 90 days. The eggs hatch, hatchlings, and early life care. Newborn pythons are small, delicate, highly sensitive to their surroundings. Caring for hatchlings involves individual or small group enclosures, regular cleaning and